Hey folks, welcome back. Tell you what, wow, yeah, I wasn't originally planning to film this cook, but I haven't brought you anything here in a week or so, so I'm just bringing you along for dinner, guys. We're going to do some wings. I got some JAMMIN jerk seasoning inside. We're just going to season them up, grill them up, get a little smoke on them, and enjoy dinner, guys. Let's get this thing going. As I mentioned, I'm using this Malcom JAMMIN jerk Caribbean seasoning. I've used it on a cook before inside, but I've yet to put it to some smoke, so we're going to try it out today there. I love the smell of this stuff. I'll leave a link to Malcom's site where you can purchase this. Let's put these things over. We'll hit the other side. And that's it, guys. We're just gonna let the fire come up and get these things on. That's all we're doing to this tonight. Just going with our typical 2-zone fire like I do quite often. Grates in there. Get these grates heated up. Get this thing going on. I will be cooking these things direct, but I want to get some smoke on these, so I'm going to pull them over here indirect for just a little while so we can roast some smoke. I know you can see it, I didn't mention it. I did remove the flappers, but that's all I removed. I left the drums and the flats together for this one. And I got one piece of pecan wood we're gonna throw on here. Get that smoke action. Let's get her closed up and let her go. All right, guys. We're roughly 10 minutes or so into this. I'm just gonna give these guys a flip. Starting to get a little color. So I'm just trying to get a little heat on these before I grill them off, or a little smoke rather. Awesome. We'll check back at about maybe 10-15 minutes and put them on the hot side. The time has come to start grilling this off. Got a little smoke on there. I'm really liking it. Liking what I see. This is gonna go pretty quick from now on. I might even, once I get a little grill on, I might even have to move them up to the top. We'll keep an eye on it. All right, we'll check back in a minute and turn these. Oh yeah, you gotta watch it close now. We get over the direct heat. Start turning often. Get these things cooked off. Oh, they smell awesome. Smell awesome. I will probably move these up to the top rack once we get going here. Wanted to get a good little sear on that skin. Make it nice and crispy. Alright guys, let's take a look at this. I'm going to come up off this direct heat. I'm getting the color that I want. Look at it. Oh, look at that char. I'm going to flip these. I've just been a few minutes over the direct heat. I'm going to pull this up here on the top rack. We're gonna finish these off up here. I might even pull them off indirect again if I have to. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautimous, beautimous, beautimous. Loving what I see, guys. Oops, get back up here. It ain't gonna be that much longer, we'll be done. And just because I can, let's throw on another piece of wood there. All of this over here, off the direct heat. In fact, I might just pile them up as far as I can get away from them. I'm just trying to keep them warm right now, waiting for everything else to finish up. Hey guys, when I see you next, we'll be doing this, giving this a test. I don't know what you see right here, but I tell you what, this is a thing of beauty. This is some JAMMIN jerk from Malcom Reed, How to Barbecue Right. Grilled outside, some pecan smoke. Let's get a taste of this. It is hot, tell you what. All right, let's get a taste of this bad boy here. Got that. I'm gonna rip this thing apart. I'm gonna go straight into this drumette right here. I'm gonna tore the skin off of it, that's all right. I just want to taste it just by itself. I can see the smoke. Oh, that JAMMIN jerk, I tell you what, it's got a distinct flavor of its own. Between the cinnamon and the cloves, it's, oh my God, it's out there. So good, guys. So good. When I did this last time, it was inside here. I don't remember if it's on in the Emerald 360 or on my electric grill, but I did it inside when I use this, so it's so much better outside, as always. We'll come in with just some ranch dressing I got. Guys, that is awesome. Finger licking. And we're in Kentucky, I can say that. Guys, thank you. This is good stuff. I'll provide a link down below for Malcom's website where you can purchase all of his seasonings, and as well as this one. And good guy. He's another YouTuber on here. Check him out. I'm sure you already have heard of him. Great big channel, and he's a competition cook. So awesome, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Well, we're trying our best to put a video out every Saturday. We're failing a little, but that's all right, guys. But we're doing the best we can on this one. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit that little bell down there. I'll let you know every time we put out a video. So God bless you, folks. We'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.